Welcome to Crypto Climate, where we observe the climatic current pulse and forecast of the markets, guys. Immediately, we move into the Ethereum Fear and Greed Index, guys. As we always say, Ethereum is the #1 altcoin, the #2 coin in the world overall, right behind Bitcoin. So usually it leads as an index regarding the other altcoins. So if Ethereum goes up, for the most part, other altcoins go up and vice versa. You know, sometimes there's differences, but for the most part, they're correlated. So that's why we like to discuss Ethereum as the main altcoin and then go on from there, guys. So we see we're currently at 51 neutral, and today's episode is about cryptocurrency altcoin season basically, guys. So right now, Ethereum is just communicating that it's indecisive right now. We're not at greed, we're not at fear, we're just neutral, and it doesn't, know what really to do next. And we can see it with the charts here. Moving on to some technical analysis, we do see that for Ethereum, we have a bearish red negative candle for the day today, but it did reclaim with this upswing here, the ascending channel formation after this fake out here. It briefly attempted to pierce through a couple of days ago, but it's holding strong. It's really holding strong, this pattern, this formation. So even though we've had a little bit of a downturn for the past week, overall the trend has been up for Ethereum, but the indicators, there's divergence because the trend for the RSI has been negative or downward while the price has been going up. So usually you do see that divergence play out, probably in the next couple of weeks. So stay ahead of that. But I mean, it doesn't happen 100% of the times, but we're talking about probabilities here, and just based on probabilities, this divergence is strong. It's been taking multiple weeks. So if it does play out, the next support that we're currently looking at would be that $1,458 level right here, and then under that would be the $1,352 support level on a little bit of a longer time frame, a couple of weeks, maybe a month or two. So we have to wait and see. But for now, in the short term, we do see that with this candle is holding this blue downtrend line here, is just holding strong, and it's still above this the lower bound of this ascending channel formation. So we're just ranging right now. Again, the key resistance, guys, in my humble opinion, if Ethereum can get above $1,786 in the next couple of weeks, guys, then it's highly likely we get to $2,000 Ethereum, guys. And if that happens and we close above $2,000 with multiple daily candles, but more importantly with a weekly candle for Ethereum, it's a wrap. I think altcoin season will come into the markets. I think it'll be here. I think things would go bonkers, and then Ethereum would go to 2,500, maybe even 3K in the next couple of months, and a lot of bullishness would come. The trend would hold strong, and there would be continuation. But if we fail to first get above this 1,700 or 8,600, then no, I don't think we're gonna get that altcoin season that a lot of people hope to get too soon. So that's what we're looking at for Ethereum, holding strong overall. The trend continues to be up. We do have a little bit of divergence here, but these are the things that I would want you guys to keep in mind with regards to the cryptocurrency total market cap, just the amount of money inside altcoins. Every other cryptocurrency except Bitcoin is at $574 billion, guys. We do see that we've retraced for the past week from the $615 billion resistance level, basically double topping here, reverting back to this downtrend line here. It's an uptrend, the green one here, but coming back and holding it actually considerably as support after piercing through a couple of days ago. So the trend is still intact, but the same thing. Look at that clear divergence where the RSI is heading in a downward direction, and then we have the price, or in this case the amount of billions inside the market cap, just going and heading on up. So man, you have divergence on Ethereum, divergence on the market cap for altcoins. When you see those things in various charts, those signals usually they signal ones to come based on probability. So there's a higher probability play, which right now would be to go down in this case and retest this green downward trending line and even go pierce through it. So we're gonna have to wait and see, you know, what the market cap decides to do in the next couple of days. With regards to the DXY, you know, it's been having an uptrend for the past couple of weeks. Strong moves. You know, we were able to break towards you know, above this resistance level towards the next one at 105.35, which we've been talking about this for weeks now. It's amazing. You know, TA is a beautiful thing, just keeping things simple. Support and resistance, horizontal lines, maybe a trend line here and there, but we TA in its simplest form, guys. So we do see a red negative bearish candle for the day, but overall the uptrend is strong for the DXY, and that's going to be that next pivotal level. You know, if we break this current resistance, you know, then that 108.31 becomes that next key resistance level for the DXY, which has been gaining strength in the past couple of weeks. Stay tuned to see what it's going to decide to do in the next couple of days, guys. If you enjoy this informative content, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We breached the 300 subscriber mark. Thank you so much for your, you know, support. Really appreciate our community. Click the notification bell to stay tuned for our fresh off the press videos, and don't forget to like our videos. It helps the algorithm and other people find our channel. And also, we have some free stuff for you guys, free educational videos. The link is in the description down below, guys. You can take a pen, a pencil, piece of paper. We have educational presentations for you guys here. It can't get any better than that, guys. Moving on to the top 5 cryptocurrencies in the world other than Bitcoin and their performance for the past, you know, day and couple of days. We have Ethereum at $1,618, down 5%, you know, in the last 7 days, down 1.41% in the last 24 hours. Then we have BNB at number 2 at around $300 a pop, down 3.63% in the last 7 days. Then we have, you know, down 2.14 in the last day. XRP the scam at number 3 at 37.8 cents, down 5.70% in the last week. Number 4 Cardano at 36 cents, down 11%. And then Matic at number 5, $1.22, down 17%. Man. We move on to the top 5 best performing assets for the past 7 days, guys. We start immediately with SSV Network, up 50%. Wow, at $48.36. Number 2, Stacks at 86 cents, up 37.26%. Number 3, XEM at about a nickel. And it's up 32.11%. Wow, in the last 7 days, and up 40% in the last 24 hours. Number 4, Anchor at 4 pennies, up 20%. And then number 5, Optimism. Ironically and optimistically, it's up 9% at $2.82. And then we move on to the 7 worst performing assets for the past 7 days. We have the CRV, the Honda vehicle, at around $1 a pop, down 22%. Number 2, Loop Ring at 35 cents, down 20%. Number 3, Hedera H bar at 7 pennies, down 18.78%. Then we have Conflux at 21, almost 22 pennies, down 19%. And number 5, Filecoin at $6.71, down around that 20% mark as well. Guys, if you enjoy the content, don't forget to subscribe, to like the video. You know, I would appreciate it. Great investment tools and resources for you guys on our website, link in the description down below. Guys, again, I want to thank you so much for your time, for your attention, for your support, and I hope you guys have a good one.